hello guys welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V Tutorials. Today we're going to look at top 3 cryptocurrency coins that are under $1 and are currently surging frequently in the market. Okay, before I dive into this, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, do it to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and also share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. So without waste of time, let's dive into it. And all you just need to do is stick to this particular video from the beginning to the end so that you can really understand those particular 3 cryptocurrency coins, so that by the end of this very video you'll be able to dive into a particular trade and make a rational profit without much risk. So let's quickly join me. Okay, so with the first coin I'm going to look at here is the coin we call TA. If you notice this TA has been doing perfectly well in the past 7 days. That's roughly 1 week in the crypto market. Okay, and for those that have been following up, I have been dropping a lot of signal concerning the TA, and I think a lot of people have been also cashing out. So if you cash out from those signals, you need to drop yes, so that I can understand that actually the signal is doing well and we're going well with it. So as you can see, the TA is currently having a serious negativity. So all you just need to do, I just drop it in my community. I think some people have already bought it. Okay, but one thing you must know: if you see profit, take it. Do not be greedy. Do not be what? Do not be greedy. If you see profit, take it and wait for another opportunity to dive in. Okay, so the first coin I'm mentioning is TA. Okay, you can see it has a huge market cap and it's currently doing well. So the next coin I want us to look at is what we call the PNY. Okay, all right. So the PNY, if you look at it, it has also been doing perfectly well. Okay, it has been doing perfectly well, and it has also been frequent in ups and downs. So another particular good coin that you can buy, okay, and make a reasonable profit from it. That is how many? That is 2. All right, so you can look at those coins yourself, because I don't want this very video to be too long. You can look at the total market cap yourself, look at how those particular coins are doing currently in the market, and also dive into it at your own good time. All right. So the third one I'm going to mention, of which a lot of people knows that I frequently trade it, is called the PEP coin. Okay, it's called the PEP coin, PEPE. Okay, so this PEP coin, as you all know, has been actually doing well, but it suffered some few loss because a lot of great investors withdrew some rational volume of USDT from that particular market, which is why it's a bit down, but it's actually going to turn up soon and also do well to your taste. Okay, so if you find value from this amazing content, do well to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and as well share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. And in my next video, I'm going to drop a video that shows you how to buy coin and sell coin in P2P market. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being with me from the beginning of this very video to the end. I will see you in my next class. Bye.